Hello guys, this is the logical math tutorial for April 20. Welcome back to school. Let's start. Do you remember these alligators? What do they represent? Yes, they represent greater and less. But in case you don't remember, we're going to watch a video. So let's review.
$432 and $824. The gator eats the one that's worth more. He looks at the place values from left to right. It's the greatest hundreds place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. 355 and 332. The gator needs to eat the one with the greater value. He looks at the place values from left to right. Five's the greatest tens place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. 145 and 149. The gator needs the greater value on the number line. He looks at the place values from left to right. Nine's the greatest ones place, so he takes a big bite.
And now we can practice. Let's look at these numbers. The first is 8,791 and the second is 8,719. Which number is greater? Let's use the symbols. So the symbol indicates that 8,791 is greater than 8,719. Let's practice one more time. So we have 5,015 and 5,050. First, we write the symbol, and then we can read the sentence. 5,015 is less than 5,050. And now it's your turn to practice. Here I wrote other exercises, and you need to complete them with the correct symbol to indicate which number is greater or less. Once you finish, you can read these numbers just like I did. For example, 6,413 is less than 6,431. So now I want you to record your voice reading those numbers. So you need to go to this app that we have used before, voicespice.com, and you click on grabar. Next, you're going to read the exercises using greater and less. And when you finish reading this list, stop. Then you have to save the file. Next, you're going to see this screen. You can change the name of the file, and you can add your name, and then you click on Save here. To send the file, you can click on the Gmail icon. And finally, you can send this file to the teacher. This is my email address. This is the title for your email, and you just have to click on send, and that's all. See you next time. Bye bye.